Today, we're making delicious Persian Dolma. For the filling, we cook ground meat, rice, split peas, fresh herbs, onions, tomato paste, and spices, and mix together. The red pepper immediately said, "No!" Also, the yellow pepper tried to escape fast, and the green pepper went into hiding. That's normal. They are afraid of being cooked. Then I showed them the final result. It's easier to convince them now. The red pepper started changing its mind. He's brave. But dolma isn't only made with peppers. You can use grape leaf or cabbage. Nice to meet you, Grape. A true Persian classic dolma. Of course you should cook the leaves first. And here's the cabbage dolma version. 3 delicious ways to enjoy dolma. The peppers finally agreed to help and they are happy. Cut the top part like a cap and fill them with the cooked ingredients. Then gently put them all in a pot and fill it with water to half of peppers. Let it cook with a low heat and just wait for the magic. Flouzaboo. Fresh Persian dolma is finally ready. See you on our next food adventure. Leave a comment and subscribe for more food adventures. And get ready for HooLou Coin.